Advanced Fire Alarm and Equipment Company delivers reliable, high-quality electrical services across Greater Los Angeles, ensuring safe, efficient solutions that minimize downtime and keep your residential, commercial, and industrial operations running without disruption. Fully licensed and insured, we handle everything from routine electrical needs to complex industrial projects, always prioritizing safety and precision. With us, you gain reliability, expertise, and peace of mind every time. We stand behind every project with guaranteed workmanship, delivering professional electrical installation, maintenance, and repairs. Our prompt responses, dependable service, and expert execution build lasting client relationships while ensuring reliability, safety, and complete peace of mind. Our certified electricians bring extensive expertise across all systems, delivering prompt, dependable service. From minor repairs to large-scale installations, we provide efficient, effective solutions tailored to your operational needs with precision and reliability. Our team has successfully executed a wide range of electrical contracting projects across the Los Angeles metro area, including major installations, project management, electrical systems, data infrastructure, and communication solutions, delivering reliable, high-quality results every time. As technology advances and electrical demand grows, older systems may fall short. Whether upgrading for reliability, planned construction, or increased power needs, our licensed electricians can efficiently handle electrical panel and breaker box upgrades. Advanced Fire Alarm and Equipment Company provides secure, efficient entry intercom solutions for homes and businesses. Our licensed team ensures reliable installation, responsive support, and dependable performance, giving you peace of mind and long-term operational safety. Gas-powered cars emit roughly 4.6 metric tons of CO2 annually, driving greater EV demand. From small apartment complexes to large commercial projects, our team handles design, permitting, installation, and inspection as a comprehensive service package. We offer expert CCTV installation, service, and maintenance, ensuring reliable security, responsive support, and consistent performance while protecting your property and meeting compliance standards with peace of mind. We provide certified commercial and residential electrical services for renovations, repairs, and extensions, combining reliable execution, technical compliance, and responsive support to ensure successful projects, efficient operations, and long-term value for every client. Delivering trusted commercial and residential maintenance services, we combine technical expertise, responsive support, and a results-focused approach to ensure operational continuity, safety compliance, and lasting value for every client we serve. Call or email us today and learn more about how we can help.